Have you ever wondered how magnets seem to have magical powers that pull certain metals? Picture this. You're holding a magnet, and as you bring it closer to a paperclip, it leaps towards the magnet like it's under a spell. So, what's the secret behind this mysterious force? Magnets work because of the invisible force called magnetism. Imagine magnetism as a friendly invisible hand reaching out from the magnet and gently grabbing onto things made of iron, nickel, or cobalt. But not everything gets attracted to the magnet. Things like plastic, wood, or glass resist the magnet's magic. Every magnet has a north pole and a south pole, just like Earth. If you try to push two north poles together, they will play a game of tug-of-war, trying to push each other away. However, if you bring a north pole close to a south pole, they will hug tight, pulling together. These poles are the result of tiny things we can't see called atoms. Inside those atoms are even tinier charged particles called electrons. You can think of them as tiny dancers spinning around. If enough of these dancers spin the same way, they create a magnetic field, which is essentially the invisible force reaching out to pull certain metals. The magnetic field can be strong or weak, depending on how the electrons are spinning. When a group of electrons spins in the same direction, that material becomes magnetic. This is why some metals become magnets after being in close contact with a strong magnet. The forces in magnets help in many wonderful ways. They guide the needles and compasses, keep your fridge door shut, and even help scientists in experiments. Imagine the compass needle pointing north, thanks to Earth's giant magnetic field. Magnets are fascinating pieces of science because they show how invisible forces can change the world around us. Next time you play with a magnet, remember it's not magic, it's science at work, giving these cool objects their mysterious power.